Hey guys, welcome to Stat 111, the summer edition. Just wanted to get you out a quick video, just get you started here. I know every single class is different and it's kind of confusing to get used to it, so I just want to do a quick walkthrough on the menu here and show you Blackboard. So here we are on the home page, if you will. I sent you this announcement about a week ago, just letting you know that we're going to get started. I'll send a fair amount of announcements. They'll come to email and they'll also be all copied here. This was opened up the other day, the start here, which was, again, just kind of going through some of the logistics of the course, a little bit more detail than what the syllabus has on certain areas. And I certainly encourage you to read through all that. The syllabus that we see for every course, how your grade's calculated, additional expectations, and the like grading policies. So make sure you kind of walk yourself through that a little bit. The schedule at a glance. This is, again, exactly what it says. It's a little snapshot of your schedule, what we're going to be doing and when, so you can kind of really see the calendar dates that we've got here. So what you really need to pay attention to are all these due dates. These are all 11:59 p.m. and the midterm and the final. These are hard dates here on Friday the 17th and Friday the 7th of August. Those are your midterm and your final. You can be taking them at UVM or online at ProctorU, and I'll give you some more detail on the times, but those dates are definitely not going to change. Okay, so let's continue on with the menu here. If you take a look at the modules, this is where all the work really is kind of laid out for you. I've opened up this particular module. It's not due until the 30th, and if you click on that link, it'll bring you in and tell you what you need to do to complete this module. So there's a little overview, and there's a laundry list of 6 different items here to get you started. And one of the ones that we're going to go to in another video is registering for Wiley Plus and kind of navigating Wiley Plus a little bit, so get you a chance to do that. So by all means, come in and check out all of these things. Now, the discussion board is this next item here. It's up and active, so you can kind of take a look at it. I'm not necessarily going to be kind of monitoring it for introductions and things like that, again, since the module is not completely open, but I just wanted to show that to you. All right. So if you click on the discussion board, we'll have some different areas for help and such. So right now there's one thread or one forum created for introductions, and again, those aren't due for another week or so. We will have different forums for help. And it's really important that folks use the discussion board for asking questions. James and I will be able to, our TA James and I will be able to monitor that. And more importantly, every question that we answer will be searchable by everybody else. So I'd rather have you not email me directly on specific questions. And James and I'll get on there pretty quick. I also encourage folks to help out on the discussion board. If you know something, by all means, chime in. It's a great way to learn. All right. This next item here is, I'm not going to click on it, it's the virtual office. We use Google Hangouts that literally have face-to-face discussions. There's a little bit more about this in Module 0. I highly encourage you to get up on and test it. Last item in this section here is the Wiley Plus browser check. It'll bring you to a website to check some of the settings on your browser, Java, plugins, things like that. All of these online portals that are used by the textbook publishers are a little bit different and have some different requirements. And last but not least is my grades. I don't have anything set up in there yet, but again, you'll be able to monitor your grade throughout the course, and I'll have that set up for you when things get rolling. All right, and we'll see you in about a week when class gets started.